Hi, my name is Eric Hernandez. I'm owner and co-founder of Excela Solar. My partner and I founded Excela Solar in 2019 when we identified a need for a reliable and honest solar installer for our community. Our goal is to educate El Paso and the surrounding areas in the benefits that they can have when converting over to solar energy. The main challenge that we face, since our business focuses on door-to-door, it was in order for us to reach the customer without having any contact. The main focus that we had when we took advantage of the program was social media, marketing, basically being able to reach our customers digitally. It affected us in a positive way because it really got us to, raise the bar and take the necessary steps to acquire, and network with the current people that we're working with for our social media. So even though COVID-19 had just hit, with the program, it's giving us the opportunities to go into other markets in Texas and New Mexico, creating teams and providing other opportunities for us to thrive in those markets.